Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what's considered the best Western belt on the market, the TOPACC Western Metal Concho Belt for women. If you're searching for that perfect accessory to complete your cowgirl or boho-inspired look, this belt might just be exactly what you need. Right from the start, what stands out about this belt is its craftsmanship. Made from a highly polished alloy, the belt features a smooth, glossy surface that gives it a sleek, shiny finish. The metal is electroplated to retain its color, so it stays vibrant and resists tarnishing over time. This means it not only looks great when you first get it but continues to shine after repeated wear. Durability is definitely a strong point here. The design is inspired by classic Western and Southwestern motifs, with intricate geometric shapes, zigzags, and tribal patterns that add a vintage yet trendy vibe. This makes it incredibly versatile. You can pair it effortlessly with dresses, skirts, jeans, or even leather pants. Whether you're dressing for a country concert, a casual day out, or even a carnival, this belt brings that authentic Western flair to any outfit. Another great feature is the sizing and adjustability. The belt comes in several sizes, each with an extended chain that allows it to fit comfortably on waist sizes up to 45 inches. The chain clasp gives you plenty of flexibility to adjust how tight or loose you want it, whether you prefer to wear it on your waist or hips. This adjustability ensures it works well for different body types and styling preferences. Comfort is not overlooked either. Despite being made from metal, the belt is designed to feel comfortable when worn. The weight is substantial enough to feel sturdy but not so heavy that it becomes cumbersome. The polished finish also helps avoid any rough edges, making it easy to wear for extended periods without discomfort. From a practical standpoint, care is simple. A dry cloth cleaning is all that's needed to keep it looking fresh. The belt is imported and arrives with packaging that's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store or gift. In summary, the TOPACC Western Metal Concho Belt combines style, durability, and versatility. It is a standout accessory that can elevate your outfit from simple to standout with its detailed craftsmanship and adjustable fit. Whether you're a fan of classic Western fashion or want to add a unique touch to your everyday wear, this belt is a smart choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the best Western belt, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.